Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. Alright, welcome to this video. This is the self-quiz in the first part, and it's about matrix operations. Now, as part of a video series, you know that I expect you've seen these earlier videos, and we covered the basics of what a matrix looks like, what it's for, and then we talked about adding and subtracting matrices together. What happens if you're going to multiply all the numbers in a matrix by an outside factor? That's called a scalar multiplication. Sometimes we'll multiply two matrices together. That's called matrix multiplication. You had a chance to practice some of these skills with some problem sets, and now we have a self-quiz. This self-quiz is in two parts, and we're going to talk about adding and subtracting and scalar multiplication in this one. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to have you try a couple of these at a time, so pause the video, give yourself a chance to work these out, and come on back, see if you're right. Alright, well these are going to be pretty easy for you, and notice the answer is a 1 row by 2 column matrix, and that comes from the same dimensions of the two that you're adding together. So you have to have two matrices of the same exact dimensions, and you just basically match up your elements there. So you're going to add those two together to get -5, add those two together to get -4. Alright, so you know it's fairly logical and as simple as you might imagine. Now here we're subtracting, so be careful of that symbol there. And we are taking -6 minus -5, which is -1. Careful of your signs there. 3 minus 5. -6 minus -1. Notice that's -5. Okay? And -5 take away 0 is still -5. So match up the elements and you've got it for adding and subtracting. Alright, two more just like that. Alright, numbers 3 and 4 here, they are both subtraction, so be careful and give it a try. Let's see how you did. We have -3 take away 2. Match those two up right there. That should be -5. Here we have 5 take away 3, which of course is 2. So there we go. That's a 2 row by 1 column. That's a 2 by 1 answer, isn't it? Alright, let's look at the next one. We've got this matrix minus that matrix. So when you match them up, careful with your signs, this is your final result. Alright, hope you're doing great. Let's do scalar multiplication to finish this self-quiz off. Alright, give that a try. We have this matrix multiplied by a 5 on the outside there, and this matrix multiplied by a -5. Alright, what's your new matrix going to be? Yes, now again, these are just basically integer operations, so the biggest thing you got to worry about is taking care of the signs here. But you have a +5 times multiplied by all those inside elements, and it's kind of like the distributive property. So here we go. That's the answer for the first one. Double check your signs there. And this is pretty simple. It should be +30, +5. Alright, two more. Let's see how you did. Can you get 100%? Let's check it out. Alright, you try number 7 and 8 and come on back. Alright, number 7, this is going to be your final answer. And you notice that even if there's zeros in a row or a column, you still do have to write them in, okay? You can't have any empty spots in your matrix. So here we go. We're going to have zeros in that first column and 12, 6, -3 in the second column. Alright? And number 8, you're going to have this. Whoop, slipped off the screen there. 5, -10, -25, and 10. Alright, well congratulations. In the next self-quiz video to finish this whole series off, we're going to have some examples of matrix multiplication. So I challenge you to give it a try and see if you can get them all correct. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard and take care.